Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing everything for a smooth Nest Doorbell setup. You need a Wi-Fi network at 4 GHz and at least 15 feet of consistent signal strength. Charge the included battery to 100% or confirm your existing doorbell wiring supplies 16 to 24 volts AC. Download the Google Home app and sign into your Google account before you begin. Make sure your phone uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, not cellular data, during setup for faster device discovery. If you use existing wiring, turn off power at the breaker before you touch any wires. Confirm the transformer outputs 16 to 24 volts AC with a multimeter before you proceed. Use the included level and screws to mount the metal bracket, keeping it about 3.5 inches above the center line of your door if aligning with an existing hole. Snap the Nest doorbell onto the bracket until you hear a click, then restore power and watch the LED for startup. Open the Google Home app and tap Add Device, then follow the in-app prompts to scan the doorbell QR code. Choose your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password carefully to connect the doorbell. Assign the device to your home in a room, enable motion and person alerts, and complete the quick audio and video tests to verify functionality. If the connection fails, reboot your router, move your phone closer to the doorbell, or perform a factory reset and retry.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.